Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change PIN on Smart Wallet application. To change your PIN or your passcode on Smart Wallet app using your mobile device, first of all, open the Smart Wallet app and sign into your wallet. After you are inside the home page of your wallet, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, click on Security. Under Security, click on Change PIN. Enter your current PIN that you are using for your account. On the next page, enter a new PIN you want to create or update to. Confirm the PIN by re-entering it again, and this will help you change your PIN code for your Smart Wallet application using your mobile device. Now, whenever prompted, you will need to enter the newly updated PIN. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.